Nothing travels faster than bad news in the restaurant industry, and there's nothing quite as bad as the rumor of a rodent infestation. Hi, my name is James with Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. Keep watching and get more tips on how to solve this problem. We know you're cleaning your kitchen floors, but are you going the extra mile and getting on your hands and knees with a flashlight, checking for the smallest bits of food? Well, if you're trying to prevent or solve a rodent problem, you have to. It's imperative you remove every bit of food every night, because the smallest amount of food can sustain the rat population and keep this problem growing. Even if you don't think you have any rodent problems, you own a restaurant, and most of them do eventually get a rodent problem. So some simple ways you can check from day to day and look for signs that there is an issue are by checking your dry storage area. Have they chewed through anything? Move the stuff around, don't just look on the outer edge. Often they get in from the back side of the stuff where they know nobody can see them. Then go look around your dining room. Are there droppings inside the booths? Pop up those cushions and look inside. That's where they usually are. Check your bar areas and the shelves that you store liquor on. They'll often go to those. But you have to keep your eyes open and look for those signs. Behind and underneath your oven can provide a great food source for rats. You've got to keep it clean every single day. If you think you have rodents in your restaurant, subscribe to our channel and watch the videos to learn more. You know you have a rodent problem in your restaurant. You've got to take action before your customers find out. Call or text us at the number below and we'll help you take care of business.